Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nilai Undira. Today I want to talk about the motion is government subsidies should be added to decrease poverty. I totally agree because poverty is not just a lack of money. It is a lack of opportunity, a lack of access to basic needs, and a trap that keeps millions of people from living with dignity. The government has the responsibility to intervene, and one of the most effective ways to do so is through subsidies. Subsidies, they are investment in people, investment in society, and investment in the future of our nation. Okay, first, let me highlight the direct impact of subsidies on poverty reduction. According to the World Bank in 2023, target subsidy programs such as Brazil Bolsa Familia and Indonesian's programs Keluarga Harapan or PKH successfully reduced extreme poverty by 15 until 25%. This shows that subsidies, when directed properly, truly work. They lift millions of families out of poverty and give them the stability they need to survive and improve their life. Dr. Amartya Sen, a Nobel Prize-winning economist, emphasized that well-designed subsidy systems provide vulnerable population with the security they need to access education, healthcare, and employment. This proves that subsidies are not charity, they are empowerment. If a low-income citizen can rely on government subsidy to meet basic needs, they will become healthier, more educated, and more productive members of society. This is why we claim that subsidies are a crucial tool to reduce poverty. Second, subsidy in education and food security building long-term stability. UNICEF in 2022 reported that education and food subsidies reduced child malnutrition by 35% and increased school attendance by 20%. These are not small numbers, they are life-changing statistics. Economists Javert Sachs support this by saying that subsidies are not a cost, but an investment in human capital that brings economic returns in the future. In other words, when children are healthy and educated, they are no longer trapped in the cycle of poverty. They become adults who can work, innovate, and contribute to national development. Without subsidy, however, children from poor families are often forced to drop out of school, remain malnourished, and eventually die poor. This is why subsidies are a long-term solution and not just a temporary fix. And then third, subsidies protect the poor during times of crisis, especially from inflation. We know that inflation always hits the poor the hardest. The International Monetary Fund in 2021 report that energy subsidies prevent 10 million people from falling into extreme poverty during global inflation spikes. Nobel Prize-winning economist Joseph Stiglitz has also said that subsidies act as price stabilizer, preventing sudden shocks that could destroy vulnerable poor families, neighbor communities. Yeah. Imagine if the price of electricity or fuel suddenly doubled. For wealthy families, it might be uncomfortable, but they could still survive. From poor families, however, it could mean choosing between eating or having electricity, between sending their children to school or paying for food. Subsidy prevent this impossible choice. They answer that the poor are not crushed by force outside their control. Okay, no. Some might argue that subsidy create depends. But let us be clear. Well-structured subsidies are not designed to keep people dependent forever. They are designed to give people a starting point to lift them up so they can eventually stand on their own. Without that initial push, the poor will never have the chance to break free from poverty. In effect, history shows us that countries with strong subsidy systems in education, healthcare, and food security have managed to lift millions out of poverty and strengthen their economies in the process. So the conclusion is government subsidies are not a burden to the states. They are a moral duty and economic necessity. They reduce poverty, create opportunity, and protect the most vulnerable in society. Okay, so it's not just to define a policy, but to the define human dignity. For this reason, we strongly reframe our support from the mission government subsidies shall be added to decrease poverty, not because it is convenient, but because it is right, effective, and necessary for a just society. I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.